Number 1, the 1932 Ford Model A. Priced at $13,000. According to the seller, this 1932 Ford sedan is a fiberglass-bodied street rod project with a classic black and red color scheme. Under the hood is a small block 350 paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The car is also equipped with power windows. While it runs and drives, the seller notes it could use some TLC. Clean title in hand. The seller is open to reasonable offers. Located in Ville, Louisiana. Number 2, the 1930 Ford Model A Tudor. Priced at $34,500. This 1930T is powered by a 402 big block engine, topped with an Offenhauser intake and dual Edelbrock carburetors. The engine breathes through long tube Hedman headers and is paired with a TH400 automatic transmission and a B&M floor shifter. A Ford 9-inch rear end helps put the power down. The car runs rocket racing wheels with Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR tires. Brakes are disc up front and drum in the rear. The interior is trimmed in gray cloth with bucket seats, matching door panels, and carpeting. A set of Stewart Warner gauges handle the basics: speed, oil pressure, temperature, voltage, and fuel level. Vintage Air AC is also installed. The body features a bright red finish with flame accents. According to the seller, it's a solid running car that's been kept up well, but is now up for sale to free up some garage space. Clean title. Located in Longmont, Colorado.
Number 3, the 1934 Ford 5-window coupe. Priced at $33,800. As the seller notes, this 30 Ford sits on a Brookville 32 style chassis and features a small block 350 paired with a TH350 automatic and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.50 Posey gears. The engine setup includes an Edelbrock Performer Cam, air gap style intake, and a 625 CFM Edelbrock carb. The car has been chopped 4 inches, with a removable snap-on top, cowl, and floor panels. It rides on a ladder bar rear suspension with coilovers and is equipped with a Limeworks steering column and shifter, speed hut gauges, and wise guy seating. Mileage is listed at just 1,000 since the build. The vehicle is painted in light green and features a black interior. The seller notes a clean title and is open to partial trades for Tri-5 Chevys, early Novas, mid-60s Chevy trucks, or a Porsche 356 replica. Located in Billerica, Massachusetts. Number 4, the 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Priced at $36,000. This 32 Ford Pro Street hot rod has a fiberglass body, and under the hood sits a Gen 5 big block 454 rated at 330 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission and a Ford 8.8-inch rear end with 3.73 Posey gearing. The car features QA1 adjustable shocks all around, 4-wheel power disc brakes, and a 50-horsepower nitrous system with purge kit. It's fitted with a lightning rod-style shifter, drive shaft loop, commercial-style headlights, and power-tinted windows. There's also a Stroud 170 parachute installed. The interior includes neutral safety features and a basic setup. This isn't a show queen, but it's streetable and reportedly has more power than you need. AC is present but needs a recharge. Not a flawless build, but the seller calls it a badass ride. Titled and registered in Florida under the seller's name. Located in Port Charlotte, Florida. Number 5. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe. Priced at $22,000. According to the seller, this 31 Ford features a fiberglass body finished in bright yellow with a matching 10 out of 10 rated paint job. It rides on a Ford 9-inch rear end and runs a small block engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The car is reportedly turnkey and sounds strong with minimal use. Inside, the cabin features gray upholstery, updated bucket seats, and a modern Bluetooth stereo system. The interior is described as brand new and in excellent shape. The seller notes the car will soon be consigned to Gateway Classic Cars in Las Vegas, where the price will likely be marked up. Open to cash offers or trades for a street/strip car or possibly an RV. Title is clean. Located in Haven County, Connecticut. Number 6. The 1929 Ford 5-window coupe. Priced at $45,000. This 29 coupe is powered by a 383-stroker small block engine with aluminum heads, topped by a 671 blower and dual carbs. It's backed by a TH350 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. Adjustable coilovers are installed all around. The seller states that the body and paint are in very good condition. New wheels and tires have been recently fitted. The seller notes it runs well and has plenty of power, though it may not be for everyone. It's advertised as a potential show car. Open to trades for other classic cars or trucks, possibly even trades of lesser value depending on the offer. Clean title in hand. Located in Springfield, Ohio. Number 7. The 1922 Ford T-Bucket. Offered at $16,200. As the seller notes, this 22 style T is a fresh build with just about 20 miles on the odometer since completion. It's powered by a 350 small block paired with a built 350 automatic transmission. The vehicle is finished in bright red with a red and black interior. The seller notes it's one of 2 in his garage, so this one's up for sale or trade. It comes with a clear Wisconsin title and is open to offers or trades, preferably other hot rods with a roof, but other interesting options like side-by-sides or equipment might be considered. Motorcycles are specifically off the table. Located in Junction City, Wisconsin. Number 8. The 1933 Ford 3-window coupe. Priced at $34,000. According to the seller, this 33 Ford is a fiberglass-bodied street rod built on an original 33 frame and completed by noted builder Ronnie McConville. The paint, a House of Color mix dubbed Copper Penny with shades of tangerine and root beer, features custom flames and skulls by artist GMO. Under the hood is a 383-stroker small block with high ignition, a Holley 750 carb, Edelbrock dual-plane intake, and a turbo-hydromatic 350 transmission. The car also includes a Ford rear end, 4-inch drop front axle with hairpins, and a triangulated 4-bar rear setup. Steering is via a Vega box, and the suspension rides on Craigar Street Pro wheels, 15 by 10 in the rear and 15 by 6 up front, wrapped in BF Goodrich radial T/A's. Interior features include a Kenwood stereo, autometer gauges, a chrome tilt column, and a Flowmaster exhaust. The vehicle has just over 200 miles on it since completion. Clean title. Located in Flett, Texas. Number 9. The 1931 Ford Model A. Priced at $20,000. According to the seller, this 31 Ford coupe has an all-steel body that's been chopped and channeled, sitting on a sleeve chassis. The grille shell is from 1932 and chopped by 4 inches. It's powered by a Blueprint 383 small block with about 450 horsepower, paired with a TCI Stage 350 automatic transmission. The car has lake headers and a polished Holley carburetor. Cooling is handled by a custom radiator with an electric fan. The suspension features a 4-inch drilled drop axle, drilled radius rods, and QA1 adjustable coilovers. Front disc brakes and rear drums with a Willwood master cylinder provide stopping power. It rolls on rocket strike wheels with cheater slicks. Other details include 32 Ford commercial headlights, a new button-down canvas top, and custom door panels and center console. It has a locker shifter and cables. The seller is firm on the price and not interested in trades. Located in Suffolk County, New York. Number 10. The 1934 Ford Roadster V8. Priced at $51,900. Stock not modified Southern California vehicle until purchased by me in 2019. Major refurbishment in 2014 including paint, interior, top and tires. No evidence that the vehicle ever experienced rust. SoCal location 1934-2019. The V8 purrs and the vehicle needs nothing. True mileage unknown. Finding an unmodified Model 40 Deluxe Roadster is very rare, as most have been turned into hot rods. The paint and interior are stellar and are a beautiful combination. The V8 is a 1936 engine LB block with insert bearings, which is more reliable and desirable than the original 1934 engine. This is a stock and beautiful 1934 Roadster, located in Union County, New Jersey. Number 11. The 1928 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $37,000. According to the seller, this 28 Ford features a crate 350 engine with about 800 miles on it. It's paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission and an 8.8-inch rear end. The car has been chopped and channeled on a frame with a Mustang front suspension and Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes. The exterior sports a red candy apple paint, while the interior is black and red. The build is described as professional, and the car is in very nice condition overall. The seller is asking for cash only and is not interested in trades. Serious buyers only. Located in Greenville, Tennessee. Number 12. The 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $95,000. As the seller notes, this is an original and rare 32 Ford featuring a heavily modified 510 CI Kaufman big block Pontiac engine. The motor includes aluminum Kaufman heads, a forged rotating assembly, and an 8-71 BDS blower setup with 6 2-barrel carbs mounted on a custom chrome intake manifold. The carburetors are actually fake, masking a Phytec fuel injection system with a blower cooler underneath. The engine has about 230 miles since completion, with around $30,000 invested in the motor alone. The drivetrain includes a TCI 6-speed automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.50 gears, a Posey unit, and 35 spline axles. The body is rust-free and features a 2-inch chop. Inside, the car has a custom interior with a chrome roll bar and a tilt steering column. According to the seller, no expense was spared during the build. Located in Centerville, Maryland. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.